Hey guys, this is Minister with LifeModder.com. You guys were asking about my awning that comes out on the side of the Astro van. This is a 2002 all-wheel drive, lifted on, what is it, 31-inch tires. I thought they were bigger, but this is the awning, and it's a ARB Touring. I don't know if that's ARB Touring, but that's the awning, and I'm gonna show you how it folds out and how it looks. My wife's gonna help me, Tanya. Let me set this up. Okay, so what you do is you unzip this. And then there's some Velcro to take off. Once you un-Velcro, it's going to want to come down like this. And while I hold this, my assistant Tanya will fold out the pieces. So what you do is you fold out that side. You won't be able to see it because I'm probably in the way. Then it pokes in there and then tightens up on the side, in the middle of the pole. I mean, then you don't have to Velcro those right now. You can Velcro it to that pole all the way out. I'm not going to, so I'm just demonstrating. But it's more secure when you do. And then you can see her tighten that pole, and then put this over the thing. Oh, yeah, okay. And then these poles come out. Kind of show it so you're not. Just, no, that's right. Push it in, kind of twist it around. There we go. That's probably good. You tighten it like that by twisting. And one more over here. And that is the awning. So this is where I was saying you can Velcro it here. I'm not going to do it right now, but it makes it a little more solid. But that's our awning for the Astro van. Works great when we go dirt biking because it's so hot, especially when we go to the desert. You just need something to stand under. So this is our setup and we love it. Also, if you guys want to see, I can just give you a little tour. Actually, hold on, let me unlock it. That's our LCD screen. You can watch movies on it. Also has USB, and it's touchscreen, and you can navigation, movies, whatever. Kind of a mess right now, but we open it like this. That's our bed, and then you have two drawers that come out, and they're super big. We have all our stuff in there, tons of stuff, toys and cooking stuff and grill, all kinds of fun stuff. So yeah, that's all our drawers. Okay guys, like I said, it's kind of a mess in here, but basically what we did, we have this wood box. That's the drawers I showed you in the back, and then a lot of people have wood going all the way out, but I figured we're gonna have kids sometime soon, eventually, and I want to be able to use this seat still. So what we did is the box only goes to there and then just up to the seat, and we put cushions, and then our feet lay on this with blankets on top. So, you know, you're not laying the main part of your body on it, so it's fine. It works great. And then we have old couch cushions as the bed. I know you can't see much because there's so much of all our random stuff, but this is the couch cushion and the pillows, and we just sleep from that way this way. So yeah. All right, guys, this is my, people are asking me about my rack on top of my roof, and basically all it is, it's a custom welded rack, welded up, which you could make too, and then it was just bolted through the roof and sealed real good so it doesn't leak. But yeah, I did that, and then also put an awning on. I'll show you that in a minute. But and put a snowboard rack up there as well. But yeah, it's a nice rack. It's very durable. It's very big. You can strap down anything to it, and it's pretty solid. So yeah, that's my rack. Hey guys, thanks for checking out my channel. If you like my videos and the content's useful to you, if you could please consider subscribing. That really helps my channel. It helps me produce more videos and help you guys out. Also, if you guys have any suggestions for new life mods I should do, I do everything from auto repairs, auto mods, computers, like any kind of electronics. I also dirt bike and ride a lot of single track and work on those, and also travel a lot. So anything that you have suggestions on, please leave me a comment on my videos, or you can private message me, and also my email is on LifeModder.com. So I'd really appreciate it if you'd consider that, and keep tuning in for more life mods. Thanks guys. God bless.